Hi Ernest, this is Shannon with Classy and Sassy Digital Marketing. Thank you for taking the time to review this quick little video. I have included some tips and tricks in here that you could use on your website to help rank and drive in more customers. A couple things I wanted to first pull up is your website. Great modern looking website, definitely has some content. One thing with Google is they like to see anywhere from 2,500 to 2,000 words for content. And in that content, they like to see some organic keywords. I went ahead and pulled up your site on what we call Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a site that we use to see how a website is ranking, how they're doing versus their competitors, that sort of thing. So you can see you have 321 backlinks, 49 referring domains, and organic keywords, you have 64. A lot of people are searching for you in particular, K-Services. Furnace Repair Alpharetta has 40 searches a month. AC Repair Alpharetta has 150, which that put you at number 24 on the searches. I pulled up one of your competitors, another great modern looking site with some pictures. Wanted to point out pictures can be considered content as well, as long as they are labeled and applied correctly. And looking at them, they have quite a bit of backlinks. One thing about backlinks is not all backlinks are created equal. Google definitely likes to see quality versus quantity, and they have quite a bit of organic keywords as well. Furnace Igniter, which is a national ranking keyword I should say, has 4,400 searches a month with the keyword difficulty is 7. Staten Heating and Air, so their name in particular has put them obviously at number 1 there, and then they have their rates and whatnot that are ranking for them as well. Here's another competitor of yours, definitely another good looking website, however they are lacking content. They only have 214 backlinks, 41 referring domains, and 104 organic keywords. North Point Heating and Air, 60 searches a month. Air Conditioning Repair Roswell, this is a good one to have because it has a search volume of 200. So those are just some keywords that you could use in your content to help you rank. So I wanted to talk a little bit about Google. Up here is where you'll see the ads if you're interested in advertising on Google. And this is where we see the map pack. Now the map pack is where you want to be, which you are, you're on number 2. Because most potential customers are going to call the first 2 to 3 services they see for quotes. And you want to definitely keep that ranking there, if not go up to number 1. That way you're driving in most of the customers in your area. And down here is what we call the organic listings, which is a great place to be. You definitely want to be on the first page of organic listings. One thing with Google and ranking is you want to have your citations. Now, citations are pretty easy to obtain. You just have to know where to place them, and all they are is your business name, phone number, and address where potential customers can reach you. It's a great way to rank your site, drive in more customers, and outrank your competitors. I hope you found this video very insightful and gave you some tips and tricks to use. If you could please send me an email if it's not too much to ask, and just let me know some tips and tricks that are beneficial to you. That would be great. Thank you, Ernest. Have a great day.